Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Hannah Sharp Fitness. If this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, thank you for watching my video. And today I am doing a how to learn your first press up, because who doesn't want to be able to do a full press up? And by that I mean one of these. Yeah, I know you want to be able to do one, so I'm going to be showing you some simple moves today that you can do on a regular basis that are going to help you progress, build up your chest muscles, your triceps, all those muscles that you need to be able to do one full body weight press up. So keep watching, let's head to it and I will show you the first exercise. This is the first exercise that you are going to be starting with. This is called a box press up. So you need to be in a box shape, completely 90-degree angle at your hip and at your shoulders. You are then going to have your hands directly in level with your shoulders as well, but slightly wider. As you can see, my hands are just on the edge of the mat here. And then you are going to go down, tap your nose onto the mat and push yourself back up, slow and steady, keeping the movement controlled. This is the second exercise that you are going to be doing. This is a slight progression up from the box press up. So you put your hands in the same position, the same width, but all you're going to do is lean into your upper body, lower that bum. This is going to add more weight onto your upper body and make it harder as you push away from the floor. Again, you need to work on keeping control, getting your chest as close to the mat as possible and getting your nose near the floor. Keep it slow, steady, controlled. Work on building up your strength and repetitions with this exercise. Here I'm going to show you how to do a dumbbell chest press. This exercise is important for you to do to help you build up the strength and muscles in your chest, tricep, arm area. This is going to help you improve and help you progress quicker into getting that press up. So I would definitely recommend to be doing this on a regular basis. Make sure that you are slowly increasing the weight of your dumbbells and increasing your repetitions. If you are liking this video and you like these sort of videos, the how to type, then hit a subscribe and hit a like, because your support is so helpful to me and the YouTube algorithm. Now we move on to another progression. This is what I call an incline press up. So I tend to do this on the Smith machine or a squat rack. You need to put your bar at a nice middle height and perform an incline press up. You're going to go onto your tippy toes, lean into the bar, make sure that you get nice and low, get as close to that bar as possible, and that you get that chest right into the bar nice and close. So then you can work on lowering the bar, trying to get the bar as close to the ground as possible, making it more like a full press up. This is slowly again going to increase your strength, your muscles and your stamina in the area that you need to work on. Then eventually you're going to get the bar very close to the floor, and as you can see, this is very similar to an actual press up. So once you get this low, I would definitely recommend to step away from the bar and to try performing your first press up on the floor, and I can guarantee you'll be able to do a few repetitions and then you just need to practice. Hi! Hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay guys, that's it. That's all the exercises, the type of press ups that you need to be doing, and I just want to say that you should be doing these on a regular basis, at least twice a week. Maybe not all of them. Start with the very basics, so the very first ones that I showed you. Start to build up your strength. So every single week, if you're doing the chest press with the dumbbells, try and increase your dumbbell weight every 2 to 3 weeks. Try and hit some more repetitions, pushing it and pushing it, building up the strength and the endurance in those muscles that you need, and eventually you will be able to do a full press up. Yeah, mate. So let me know your progress, how you're getting on, and please like, subscribe, and in the comments below tell me what you want to see next time, because I'm always open to suggestions and I just want to help you progress in your fitness journey. So I will see you soon.